If you're facing the Windows Troubleshooter app issue and you're encountering this specific error, you can watch this video for some possible solutions. So begin the process by enabling scripted diagnostics by Group Policy Editor. Do that by opening the Run dialog. Enter the following command. Navigate to Computer Configuration. Go to Administrative Templates, then System, select Troubleshooting and Diagnostics, and select Scripted Diagnostics. In here, enable the first entry, select Apply, then proceed similarly for the other options. Once done, reboot your PC, and the problem should be resolved. Next, modify the software publishing registry by accessing the regedit. Enter the following path. Double-click on the state file, input these values, confirm with OK, and test the functionality of Find and Fix blue screen problems to check if the Windows troubleshooting is functioning. Additionally, initiate a clean boot through msconfig. So just search for msconfig, select Services tab, then mark Hide All Microsoft Services, and select Disable All. Once done, apply and confirm, then disable third-party application in the Task Manager, and reboot your PC. Finally, update your Windows VI settings, select Windows Update, and then check or download any pending updates for your computer. And that's how you can fix this error in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.